Hello again. This is DDK speaking, Jana Llanos. Now here's a really quick dinner for you. And it's nutritious as you know what. This is a double stuffed baked potato my way. I had leftover garlic oil spinach, veggie leftover, warmed that up, added about a half a cup of chive cottage cheese to it. I like Kemp's. Kemp's is really, really good product. And this cottage cheese is like nummy right out of the container. Then I added about a quarter of sweet Vidala onions chopped up, about a quarter cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Okay. Mix that all up in the bowl. I did my baked potato in the microwave for 5 minutes. Then I put it underneath the toaster oven grill and baked that for another 3 or 4 minutes to just crisp it up. Added a little bit of butter to it and then put the topping on that I just told you how to make. Took less than 10 minutes total. And it's a delicious, high protein, low calorie meal. And it's all vegetables. So for you vegans out there, here you go. This is an all-vegetable meal. No moo, no anything, except for the cottage cheese. Some of you can have that, some of you can't. That's your decision. But buy my book. This recipe and many others are in it. You won't be sorry. And you can have your dinner in less than 10 minutes. DDK 612-859-3270. Or buy my books at Grundhofer's Meat in Mugo or Flicker Meat in White Bear Lake. I am everywhere. I'm also going to have my own page hooked up to White Bear Lake Emergency Food Shelf because I'm donating part of proceeds from every sale of my book to my White Bear Lake Food Shelf, which supports 5 different communities, a lot of good families that need their help, and I'm going to help because I live here and I appreciate what they do for all our people who live in White Bear Lake and the surrounding communities. So please buy my books and please help. And if you have any questions, you know where to get me. 612-859-3270 or divadish67@gmail.com for any questions or pre-orders you'd like to place. Thank you. I've got to go now. I've got to eat this baby. Ciao, baby.